Okay, we're freaking sitting here at Fort Arena doing absolutely nothing.
Being bored.
Waiting for my father to leave the auction alone. Very nice.
Very nice.
And it's making me mad because I've got a headache.
I've got a headache.
She's got a
I
headache.
just took pills. I've got a
And
headache.
she's got a headache. And
This has a headache.
Well, the reason we've got drinks is because
we were thirsty.
they all have headaches, so we took
And the
pills.
concession stand was closed. This is a very pointless video. We're just bored. We're tired of hearing the funny guy talk fast.
But nobody cares.
Nobody does care.
You missed it.
Woman holding a Bible.
I can hear the ocean.
Do it again.
Friggin' sleep time.
Sleep time is what it is. Sleep time.
Yes. I see you.
I bet you do.
People walking in and out. People walking in and out. You hear the retarded guy talking fast? Anyway,
Bye, camera.
bye. Very.